recording, so blah. Okay, so we're gonna go over because a lot of people have been bugging me about Asia, and this isn't just for Asia. This is for scalping, Asia, or binary options trading, whatever the hell you're gonna use it for. It's just basically concepts and principles. Support and resist with swing high, swing lows, or recent high, recent low, whatever you want to call it. So if we're looking at the chart, this is ranging, so this is a great time to be using a mean revision system, trading axis, or whatever the hell else you're going to use. How do we know what the range is? Some people can see it right here. This is the range, and I'll draw it. No, I won't. The range is... God damn it. Okay, so I give up. So how do we determine the range? When do we know if you're getting in a reversal trade that's going to run on you? Like, let's say, for instance, if you got in on this one right here, and we knew it was going to run down. What are some things that can identify in this range where we can keep trading this range until we have a breakout? From here, some people can see it. You have here's your swing high, swing low. Here's another. Here's another. Basically, this is our support and resist line. It's right here. So we know if price closes below this, we're in danger of a run occurring south. So we wouldn't want to take a call then, even if it was overbought, oversold. What's an easier way to see it? Go away. Sorry, I'm talking to my Skype. Okay, so an easy way to see it is I'm using what's called MTF fractals. That's the wrong chart. This is the same chart. We look USD JPY, USD JPY. They're called MTF fractals because you can set them to different time frames. I'm using them on the 5-minute time frame right now. What we can see then is our range becomes a little bit more clear. Where is price being held in, and where are we watching it for it to break out? We have, I'm not even going to count them. We have a shit ton of lines up here, and we have 4 down here. So we know price is being held in here. So as long as price doesn't close outside of these boundaries, we're good to take reversal trades. If you can't see it, let's do it again. I'd done it earlier before I decided to record. That's our range. If price is inside this and does not close outside it, we're still good to be trading. This applies for Asia, where a lot of times, and I was just showing them, a lot of times these levels, if you're using levels to trade, we have none of our pivot levels anywhere close to this. So if you're a pivot trader, you're in like a dead blank space here. There's no pivots here to judge if you're going to take a trade off. If you're using daily FIBOs, there's nothing here to tell you. If you're using big round numbers, you're in between a small round number and a big round number. Nothing to guide you. A lot of times, this is what Asia looks like, is there is nothing to guide you. So we can drop back down to use support and resist. A lot of people aren't good at identifying it. I've shown multiple ways to do support and resist using a line chart, where you can see on the line chart, support and resist. Candle chart, using these fractals, we now know what our range is. So we're looking for price to stay within it. If it goes outside it, we're screwed for a trade. Overbought, oversold in this area. This one went overbought, oversold, and then up. And we're just looking at strictly overbought, oversold within the range. Overbought, oversold, then dropped. Down here it starts getting a little scary because we're getting slightly overbought, oversold. This one gets to the bottom of our range and we get up. Hopefully it'll give you an idea of what you can do for Asia. Asia, a lot of the time you don't have these levels to depend on. So even on a slower market day, you're going to lose levels. Like today we have no news, so I'm expecting kind of a slow moving market. So with no news, these little, I guess whatever fractal confluence can help you in identifying the range you should be trading in. That pretty much sums it up. I just wanted to toss it out there real quick. I'll link the indicator in the video. I've already linked it in the live chat room. If you need me to link it again, let me know.